What does it say, superhero?
It appears we're needed on Earth, sidekick.
Is there an alien invasion?
No.
Is there a diabolical leader trying to cause panic and chaos?
That's not what this is about.
Is there a planet-wide disaster happening that could threaten all life on Earth?
That's kind of related, I guess.
What is it, superhero?
A 21 and up only event at the Science Museum of Virginia called Science on Tap Planeteers.
Does that mean no kids?
That's right, no kids.
None?
None.
Not a single one?
My trusty sidekick, I said no kids. That means there'll be no kids, alright? Okay, no kids.
Well, what are we